Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Kevin from hapayu, and today we're going to be boxing our brand new Generac pressure washer. We purchased model number 6923 and just wanted to show you what's on the box before we go ahead and open this up. So you can see that it is 3100 psi and with a flow rate of 2.4 gallons per minute. This is for cold water use only. Alright, we purchased this from Lowe's and it was delivered by UPS. And we already took our invoice out. Here on the top of the box, there are instructions for how to put the pressure washer together once you take it out. That's gonna come in handy. This thing's about 70 pounds. And let's see if I can take this out without scratching our floors. Give you a quick look what's inside. Okay. You have your wand. Just kidding. Engine oil in a pouch. This is pretty cool. Never seen it done like this before. Another piece to the wand. Some tubing or hose. This is the actual hose for connecting the power washer to the wand. And some accessories and instruction manual. Alright, now let's get this main piece out. That should make it a lot easier. Okay. And here's the handlebar. Alright, let's go ahead and put this thing together now. Alright, so I've put this thing together and just want to give you guys a closer look of some of the features on here. So here's the engine. You have your gas tank right here. This is under here is your air filter. Alright, down here you have your gas valve and your choke. Here is your pull string. Alright, up here you have your 4 different types of nozzles, and then they also provide some labeling to help you understand and remember what each nozzle is for. Let's take a look at the spray gun. So the spray gun is currently being hung on the handle or the holder. Okay. So there's the handle attached to the extender known as the lance. You have your high pressure hose back here. And I didn't connect this yet, and I'll just connect it later when I actually use it for the first time. And then back here, you have some of your connectors. This is for your siphon tube to connect this plastic tube right here, this plastic tube, to your detergent tank, your engine dipstick, your engine oil dipstick. Let's see what else. And last but not least, this is your detergent tank right down here. So that is where you put your siphon tube through. Okay. Alright, so that is a pressure washer, and we are going to be using this later for the first time today. And really excited.